San Victor Island in Baganga, Davao Oriental. So as you can see, the waters are pristine clear, white sand beach, and in order for you to reach this destination, you have to go by ferry boats. You can see on the background, yes, and you have to also go by boat in going home. So for the information of everyone, this is San Victor Island, again located here at Barangay San Victor, Baganga, Davao Oriental. So if you like this video, please give it a like and share and subscribe also. So that is all for now. Thank you for watching and ciao.